TipTut.
Hello everybody and welcome back to TipTut and welcome to 2019. Wow, just a quick channel update for you guys then. I'm moving into semester 2 of my master's degree. I finished the first one, handed some work in. The Big 100 project was one of my modules for that semester, so thank you for helping me out, everyone that did so. And moving into the next semester, there's going to be more of a focus on interaction and UI or UX design. So I'm hoping I can sort of impart some of that knowledge onto you guys through the forms of some tutorials, which might be nice. Speaking of tutorials, we've got some cool new ones dropping over the next couple of weeks. There's a nice sort of paint splatter logo animation for Adobe Animate because people seem to like the Adobe Animate tutorials. I'm also trying to line up a few After Effects ones because I know you guys have been clamoring for that. What's on the channel? I've been really enjoying doing these few minutes of design videos. I know they're not really the standard content, but they seem to get, for some reason, more views than my normal tutorials or my other videos even. So I'm enjoying them. You guys are apparently enjoying watching them, so I'm going to carry on doing them. Hopefully I'll make my way through all 52 of the projects. Thank you, massive thank you to you guys watching and to Emily Campbell, the maker of a few minutes of design. I've already had a couple of people message me saying they've actually bought one to do themselves. So if you can get it on Amazon, that sort of thing. Go and support her because I found it very useful. Mainly I made this video just to see what you guys want to see from the channel in 2019. Obviously my focus is gonna have to be on my master's degree because I only get to do it once, and if I balls it up then that's it. But I will still be trying to release tutorials and videos as often as I can. Because they might be slightly more limited, however, I want to make sure that you guys are actually enjoying the content. So Twitter, Discord, comments below, Facebook, however you want to get into touch, let me know what you guys want to see. Is it more tip learns, more stuff about my degree, less stuff about that? I haven't really put up much of it. It's been really quite busy. If you want to know what the life of a postgrad is like, juggling all those sorts of things, I'd like to revive a few dormant projects like Tip Talks. Unfortunately it's hard because it means collaborating and getting other creators involved, which takes a lot of organization and contacts and things like that. Hopefully I can bring in some people from my degree, some lecturers, maybe they'd like to be interested in doing an episode of Tip Talks. Who knows? So I require a bit of feedback from you guys for that. The Big 100 project is completely finished now, so thank you again for that. If you don't know what that is, check it out. It's just www.thebig100project.co.uk. 100 of you guys from TipTut helped out and finished that off by creating little content blocks. It looks really cool. Hopefully it's going to do well. Speaking of the prizes for that, I'll be divvying out soon. I've just been completely rammed. I've been away for a week or so. So over the next couple of weeks, I'll hopefully be releasing the videos with the winners of the t-shirts and stuff like that. I'm just trying to find a distributor that can do high quality stuff because I don't want to send out rubbish. I also need to figure out what frames I'm going to pick from each gift to put on the t-shirt because obviously it's a still frame. There is a chance that there'll be sporadic, and I do mean very sporadic, live streams. I've managed to get a pretty decent setup going now with cameras and green screens and everything like that. It takes a little bit of setting up to do. I know I've tried some live streams in the past, but I figured I'm going to be working long late nights on doing these projects for uni anyway, so why not stream a little bit of it? So it might be working on some projects at university, it might be working on testing out concepts for tutorials, testing out on Instagram stories motion graphics concept at the moment. Maybe I'll live stream that and see if it's worth making a tutorial out of. Last but not least is YouTube algorithms. You probably, hopefully have noticed and appreciated that in my videos I don't do any of the crap that other channels do, which is not a detriment to them because it is kind of necessary, in that they start every video with their face talking because that engages views, and then they ask for likes and comments and subscriptions and to ring the bell and blah blah blah. I try and keep all that stuff out of my videos because it annoys me when I see it, and frankly I don't think it's very honest. But it is unfortunately very important, so I understand why people do it. So this is just sort of my one shout out to say that if you do enjoy my videos, you want to see them, make sure you are subscribed and you've got the notification bell on, because that tells the YouTube algorithm that you'd like to see my videos. Otherwise, they don't necessarily get pushed to your subscription feed. You'll be stuck with all the crap like Ellen DeGeneres Show and Jimmy Kimmel, which for some reason my homepage is flooded with, although I've never watched a single video. What's that about, YouTube? You tell me. It's really important if you want to see my videos, and also likes and comments and things. They let me know if you're enjoying it. Most of the comments I get are lovely. Some of them are harsh, some of them are clearly trolls, some of them have got good criticism grounded under a immature surface, so I try to take that into account regardless of where it comes from. Basically, just let me know what you guys are thinking. What do you want? What do you want to see? And I'll see if I can give it to you. I'm still going to do the stuff that makes me happy, because this is a side project, a side hustle, and if I'm not happy doing it, then what's the point? But if it's something that makes me happy and something that makes you guys happy, then great, we're both winning. So that's it really, quick update to let you know where we are and to say thank you for sticking with me whilst I'm doing this degree. I know the content has been slightly slower, slightly different to what you're used to. So I do appreciate you guys sticking around. And let's have a great 2019. It's very possible that by the end of the year, we'll hit 100,000 subscribers. It's telling me at the moment it might be November, which is crazy. That is absolutely insane. So if we do manage that, I'll have to do a big celebration. So make sure you're subscribed, you're liking, commenting, all of that rubbish. And I'll see you later for some more tutorials and videos and awesome stuff coming your way. Thanks very much, everyone. See you later.
Remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.